Stir-fried snow peas, cabbage and mushrooms. Prepare the ingredients. Finely slice half a red capsicum. Slice 3 large mushrooms. Top and tail 2 handfuls of snow peas. Slice 1 celery stalk on the diagonal. Roughly chop 1/4 of a cabbage. Grate 1 tablespoon of fresh ginger. Add 1 heaped teaspoon of corn flour to 1 cup of vegetable stock and stir. Heat a wok on a high heat. Add the celery, add the capsicum, add the mushrooms and stir fry for 1 minute. Add the cabbage and stir fry. Add 2 tablespoons of sweet chili sauce. Add 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce. Add 2 tablespoons of vegetarian oyster sauce and stir fry. Add the ginger, add the snow peas and stir fry. Add 1 cup of vegetable stock with 1 heaped tablespoon of corn flour. Mix well. Stir until the sauce boils and thickens slightly. Then serve with cooked brown rice.